Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some mods to the steering wheel. Change it up. But you know what they say, before mods you always got to do maintenance. So I'm going to do an oil change, you know. I recommend doing an oil change every time you change your steering wheel. So this is the before. You clean up a bit before I wrap it. Yeah. So for M5s, the batteries are down underneath the trunk liner. Make sure to always disconnect your battery before you do an oil change. All right, thousands of videos on how to take off these steering wheels, but you see this hole on the side down there? So you stick a Phillips head, or Phillips head is better, or Torx head. You stick it up there, straight, no, not straight, diagonally, up there. It should feel a little like spring mechanism somewhere. Yeah. Press it. And pull this out. Okay, you're not pressing it. There's something somewhere else. But you do that on both sides and the airbag will be loose. So airbag's released after some fighting. You just need to release that one. There's a tab at the top. You see the tab at the top right here? You just press that and pull and the airbag will come out. You pull that one off and pull that one off and the steering wheel will come off after the nut bolt. All right, so now you just pull the steering wheel off, right? Pull it straight off. And then do not ever touch that. All right, so we're switching it out to these carbon paddles. These red buttons. And wrapping it in this fake China Alcantara. All right, so here's the final product. Took me a while to get everything looking nice. Paddles are working. Buttons are working. Make sure that these holes are not covered when you put it back together. There's another one right there. Right down. Looks good. All wrapped up. Boom! It got a little late last night, but here's the wheel in the daytime. You know, check out that charm. But yeah, it looks really nice. Just need to upgrade the iDrive. Anyone wants to sponsor me, you know. Also got the, you know, extra horsepower right there. I do want to swap out this centerpiece for some carbon later on. Again, anyone wants to sponsor, go ahead. But yeah. That's good.